Well, that
11-5.
ambitious shot really from Charles Sharps. Trying to conjure up something that wasn't really on.
Scott leads by 1 game to 11.
Well, could have predicted that.
9. Game to Sharps.
James Wallstrop makes the unforced error, so Charles Sharps
1 game
quite
all.
brilliantly taking the second game. Oh, that was poetry in motion. Very rare do you see Wallstrop open up for the cross-court nick, particularly at this height. Whoa. Well, it's game ball here for Wallstrop. 6 game balls. Oh, look at that acceleration. This could be trouble. Well, there's a couple fakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, he's going ballistic with the faking.
Well,
he's becoming
into Wallstrop.
A prolific faker. So James Wallstrop now with 8 match balls. Down the middle, and he's done it.
11-2.
So a terrific performance there from Charles Sharps. James Wallstrop shows his strength at number 2 seed. Well, 45 minutes between the 2 Englishmen. James Wallstrop needing 4 games to get past wildcard Charles Sharps. 11-5, 9-11, 11-4, 11-2. 3 games to 1. So Selby hangs on and gives himself game ball for this first.
He's just kept that lob in.
Oh, yes. Well, Daryl Selby, it's like he's won the tournament there.
Selby leads 1 game to love.
It's a great thing to have, isn't it? That incredible power, and then to be able to then add the soft, subtle touch to it.
Oh, yeah, just a little bit.
Do you think it reminds me a bit of Johnny White in the way that he sort of winds up and really slaps it through, and then can
and also
show that
the way he comes up the court. I know, yeah. I mean, that's
ridiculous.
He's seeing the ball like an absolute foosball.
10-4, game ball.
So the German playing completely and utterly wunderbar, serving with 6 game balls.
You really are a linguist, Mr. Barrington. Oh, he's rampant, isn't he, at the moment?
He is rampant. A rampant German is here in London. Oh, this is ferocious pace.
Well, he's thundering onto the front corners, isn't he, at the moment?
There's the error from Selby, so the pressure telling really on the Englishman. The German produced some quite wonderful shots mixed in with raw power.
We just got it wide enough, didn't he, and low enough to evade the volley and outstretched reach from Simon Rosner.
Well, Rosner was threatening though. He was going up the court. Great width from Selby. So Selby now with 2 game balls to take this into a 5th.
Such an attacking
he's got
force.
Oh, it's squeezed.
Game to Selby.
So Selby absolutely screaming with testosterone. Rightly so, what an occasion. Oh, there's the squeeze. So the clever play. He really has played intelligently, Daryl Selby.
10-5, match ball.
Deserves this situation quite brilliantly. He's got 5 match balls.
Really has been in such an impressive 5th game.
And there's a stroke.
Stroke to Selby.
Definitely a stroke.
It's got to stay as a stroke. And it is, it's confirmed, it's the right decision. What a match, terrific match. Well, the match of the evening, as we predicted, that was the only thing we did predict right. Daryl Selby, wonderful strength in the 5th game, getting past dangerous Simon Rosner. 11-9, 4-11, 7-11, 11-8, 11-5, 3 games to 2 in 86 minutes.